Hi, in this video we are going to talk about the inverse placement. The inverse placement is kind of the process which we can create the place node from the selection of group of agents. And let's first open our example file. The inverse placement is a very useful and easy to use feature. Let's first place our agents. You can see that if you want to put these two agents into some specific location inside of your scene, and this cannot be done by the old method which we introduced in the previous videos. So at this time we can only use the inverse placement. Let's deplace our agent and place that again. You can see that these two agents has been resumed back to the location of these two specific placer inside of this place. Let's place our agents and select these two agents. So you wanted to store this information of this initial position of these two agents. For example, there's the platform which we want some of the agents standing on the platform, like this. And what I'm gonna do is pretty much select all of this placement, all of the agents inside of your scene, and hit the placement, the inverse place. You can see that another new placement node has been created by the selection of the previously we selected agents. And when we deplace our agents and place that again, there's the mention that place only from the inverse place. You can see that this agent has been put here initially. Usually we need to delete the old the old place node for avoiding the repeated placement inside of your scene. Okay, this is done. And also this is useful when you want to remove some of the agents inside of this place node. Let's place that again and select some of the agents and hit delete, and select the rest of them and create a new inverse place. One thing we needed to mention here is that you can see that there are some of the information that block your vision, which we can hide them by clicking some of vision control here. And this guy is the hide the green and the red, the text information. And here we can hide the sphere range. You can see that the new placement node has been created. Let's deplace. Usually we can delete the old one, and when we place that again, the order of the agent has been placed without these we did not selected it. And for some reason, if you want to change the orientation and the proportion of this custom the custom type of node, it cannot be done by default. At this time, we need to switch the place type from the custom to the pose lock, position lock, or position rotation lock mode. Because all of the information we stored into the inverse placement, and we change that into the custom type. So let's change that to the position lock. You can see that at this time you can continue adjust the orientation, the random orientation, and also the proportion of this. Okay, and like that. Let's place that again. All the thing is correct. Okay, this is introduction for the inverse placement. Thank you for watching. See you next time.